Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Lava mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys Lava mobile guys phone vibrate problem how to solve. So guys, your phone vibrate when you tap on your phone button screen, your Lava mobile phone vibrate. So how to solve phone vibrate problem one by one, step by step friends we will do. So before starting video friends, first of all guys subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So when how to solve long while phone brightness problem or vibrate problem. Open your phone setting friends. After phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your device. So friends scroll it and friends click your sound setting. After on sound setting friends, you can adjust your phone volume, video volume, call volume. Right side you can increase, left side friends you can decrease. Friends click your advanced setting. After advanced setting friends scroll it and friends second last option friends touch vibration setting is on in your device. So when turn off touch vibration setting, after turn on guys your phone vibrate problem will solve. As you can tap on your screen, you can tap any icon, your phone will not vibrate. And friends you want to use lava while vibrate setting, so friends sound setting, advanced setting, on vibrate, touch vibration setting, and guys if you tap, so guys your lava while will vibrate. And friends if you want touch sound setting, so friends if you tap on button, if you tap on any icon, so friends you can do touch sound in your lava mobile. And friends you can use other sound vibration setting also. Click here advanced setting, other sound vibration setting is dial pad sound, screen lock sound, phone charging sound, touch sound and touch vibration. So once you have phone vibrate problem, so off touch vibration setting, your phone vibrate problem will solve. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video.